Shri Preston Tinsong, from the MHIS, the State Manager, my colleagues in the press fraternity, both print and electronic. This is the update for today with regard to COVID-19 status, 27th May 2021. The number of new cases today is 809. The number of recoveries is 597. The total number of active cases is 8,255. Out of this, 4,214 are in East Coast Hills, 1,225 are in Ribhoi district. The total number of deaths is 12, 11 in East Coast Hills district, and 1 in West Jaintia Hills district. Kini gilong kijing pentip kijongi kibedei bat COVID-19 mentakasi arfanyo tarik benai me arhajar arfuai. Ki kes ki batmai mentakasi gilong praspa kendai kiba la recover kilong sanspa kendai funyo baro ki kes ki balong active menta kelum lang baro kilong prahajar aspa santosan padna kini 1,000 aspa khatsau kidan hapo East Coast Hills 6,000 aspa arpasan kidan hapo Ribhoi district. Ki kes ki balaklat no kilong khat ar badna kini khatway kidei hapo East Coast Hills but iway hapo West Jaintia Hills. Kini kilong kijing pentep mentakasi. Bless you.
Thank you, Doctor. Friends, as I've already important taken today, chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister. One decision we taken today is relating to the coverage and benefits extended through MHIS for those patients or beneficiaries who enroll themselves under this special scheme. After due deliberation, today we decided, for example, what happened was till today, the entitlement of one beneficiary who enrolled themselves under MHIS, when they admitted to hospital in the ICU, the existing rate was about 4,900 rupees per day. And as I said to you, we discussed today with the dedicated the extra part ki bang enroll. Dia ka jela jungi barok koi ka poi tang 58.5%. It is very, very disappointing, I should say, because the enrollment till today done by the beneficiaries covered only up to 58.5%. You may ask the question, why it happened so? I'm just telling you the problem is the remaining percentage out of 58.5 to the reason best known by them. I don't know what happened, they did not come up for enrollment or for registration. So I would therefore urge all the citizens of the state who are eligible to enroll and to register themselves under this important scheme to kindly come forward, register, and enroll yourself so that the benefits can be extended to all of you. Te kabangakwa ban kerpat akan ngapor kolong ba. Tang san po pra point san persen ki register, leni ki enroll. Kabangakwa ban ong kolong ba. Ki pait ba nong song snong jong ke jela ke jongi. Kitu ki ba qualify ya katuka kriteria kabalabu daka MHIS. Kabang ngakerpat kolong bakin sengau bah. Ban enroll yaledi, register yaledi, kenang bakan ika jingerap ke scheme, kabaka sorkar ka ai, kan cover, ya ki babun, kilong ying kilong sem, habaki kendu, ya ki jingpang gizi sistem, bakam tam, habang ya kendu, ya kaneka klam, kaneka pandemic, kapa sirkai hadu kata-kata, hang ne po kejela kejungi. Kata kadai kawai ka rai ka pengisim menta ka janmit. The same decision that we taken today after again getting all the inputs, the recommendation from the department, from health department, I am again happy to inform that the government has taken a decision today that from 1st April 2021, this year, those deceased who have lost their life in different parts of the state out of the COVID-19, government will extend ex gratia amount of rupees 50,000 per deceased. This will take effective, as I've already told you, from 1st April 2021. Karai kabaar kepkisim nakaliang jong sorkar menta ka janmit. Bad hadin menglayo ya ki report nadong sedong nakaliang jong ka health department barokoway. Ngilasim ya karai. Bad nadu ka shitrik ubenay basaw. Ar hajar ar paway. Kito ki parlok ki nongsong snong jong ke jelam megla jongi. Ki baklat na ka jingyo jong ki ya une uknyang jingpang COVID-19. Ka sorkar kum kadak jong ka jingye don ketilang bat ki bahayeng ki basem. Bat ki bae ki batoin jong ki. Ngilarai bangin ai ka ex gratia. Ya kitu kilong yeng kilong sem. Ki bamat ya kini ki jing ngausi. San pau hajar tengka. Ya kitu kilong yeng. Kiba ladu no. Ya ki kime ki kpa. Ya ki kun. Lani ki bahayeng ki pasem. Bat kata kalong nadu ka setrik. Jong une u April. Ar hajar. Ar paway. Kata kadai ka benta ka ba ar ka ba. Ngi lasim ya karai. Nakaliang. Jong kasor kajungi. See, the next point I would like to clarify here, I think I've seen in the newspaper where the statement says that the prefab building for creation or for establishing of Corona health facility in the state is not appropriate. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think that was the word. Let me just clarify now. Government has already decided to create these Corona health facilities in the state by the prefab construction, taking into consideration the urgency and the challenges that we have in the state. And I would like to inform you, Government of India through Donor Ministry has provided us 6.7 crores, 6.7 crores for creating such Corona health facility in the state. And we decided 2 places will be establishing. One is in Shillong and the other one is in Tura. And the capacity of these 2 will be for 200 beds. 100 will be in Shillong and another 100 will be in Tura. So I just wanted to clarify this issue too. Kawai pat kebenta ka mga kwa ban su clarify hakan ni ka janmit. Kalong ba hadin bang yui don ka hakikot kebor ki bong ba ya kan ka prefab building kamda long kamda pit kamda biang ten ring kwa ban pensai hakan ka por bangi na kaleng government namangi hapan pej atat ya ka jingdon kam kerki namar hakan ka por ngi im hakan ka pandemic ka klam ka bajur ba lakum nukmnu ki infrastructure ngin penkloy ban pendep kat bala na kamenta bangila banyakun yau neu knyang jingpang ngilarai na kaliang ko sarkar ba ngin tau ya ki arteli ki corona health facility hapo ki arteli ki district jongi kawai hapo east Khas Hills kabamut Shillong but kawai pat hapo west Karo Hills kabadei hapo Tura but ka capacity, ka bed capacity jong kini kalong arspa jingtia, shispa syatura, but shispa teli hang ne hapo Shillong. But yakane kapisang yo sanction reu klur nyau polak tengka, bangin sna kerki yakini ki arteli ki corona health facility nakabenta bangin yo bad yakun Shushu kamba kung no bangin job ya katma jonguni. But ngakban I wanted to place on the court on behalf of the government. We are so thankful to all of you media, print, electronic. You are also treated as frontline workers of the government. But don't feel proud of it. And please give accurate information. But let me just tell you on record, we are so proud of all of you, and the government also recognizes all of you. You are also the frontline workers of the state. Kawipat ka bang sukwa aruban kren nang ni officially kalong ba ngakwa ban ai koblei kerpang ya pi ki media print bat ki electronic da print bat ki electronic piru piadu tia pidu dem ban ai ya ki information le na ki jing tip nakam ta ki jing tip ki pai ba jong ga jala ka jongi tenga kwa ban pentip bangi na kaleng ka sarkar ya piru ngisim ba pila de lepa ki front line workers jong ga jala ka jongi tenrei ka bang ong tas ngau bahawat ngau sarong yo pia ai man ga kubor ga basneu la sya la pos ba te sngoba ko mo pi tong ni tre rengkat bat ka sarkar ngin ye tre lang khnang ba kumong pi ngila ban job ya ka thma ba jong uneu khnang jingpang ubang ye kendu ha kane ka sngi hakini ki por ke ba manta. These were the informations where I would like to share with you for the interest and then for the information of all the citizens of state. And if you have any question, please ask.
Coming to this MHIS, earlier it was 4,900 and now the government has extended up to 60,000. This per day or the entire treatment of a COVID patient?
See, what has been done is this, that a patient who is admitted in the hospital, serious patient, when they enter the ICU with ventilator support, the package per day is 4,900. Now we have worked out a formula that at least on the first day till the sixth day, this coverage will increase up to 60,000 rupees.
Kani kadai tangye ki papang COVID na ikiwe jingbang ro doctor.
Kadai bitang COVID namar kadan kajing sistem ki ong kadan kajing sistem ki bapang COVID ki barang apostel kani lihat tang mentah COVID mentah ya kamu mentah sport.
Doctor, will this coverage be applicable for the people who have come out of the hospital after testing negative also?
All the people
reclaim
who are admitted in the hospital.
No, for the people who have already come out, can they reclaim the...
See,
can
this
they
is
claim
insurance. This is insurance. Insurance is always prospective. It's never retrospective.
Sekawai ketu ke rai jeng sarkar man ai sa
Tang ye ki baklat na du ka sitrik ubna April mentausnan.
From 2020.
Yeah, we wish to do so, but as I said to you, in fact, from the government, we really wanted to. But let me just tell you, last year we have seen it, 400 crores we spent from the government side. And we really spent a lot last year. So taking into consideration the impact that we have this year, it's so huge. It really affects mentally to each and every citizen of the state. So therefore, why we decided to extend the ex gratia help to those families who has to go through all these painful memories in their life. That's why, as a token, we decided that we will extend with effect from 1st April 2021.
sekawai sam kawai ke baki nikin nongpang ki ne ki bahian ki ot ki pang kadon ne am ki kan nagriang sarkar ba kin thaulan pakan kin like no ko bil jong ki PPE ai pakan kam ki doktor kinas.
Katungin nang yakran baki nang penyak jang di hospital barahat. Tang ba kani kawai kalong ba kani ka insurance jang ki mangi cover ya ki consumables. Ya ki consumables. Na do ni kong hi kaya kumta. But hadu mentah kalong kumta. Takada naman mentah ka COVID fi ki haban phong ki PPE ki rung ki haban deng ki kelas man kapor ki hab change ki hab phong. Takada kadang ka jingki undan ngin dei kran syabat ki hospital ki ba penyak ki hospital ngin pet kum ngin laban warai ka door joki.
Doctor, Doctor, fi ong ne ba kani ka coverage 60,000 kalong namta kini kinrus ngi singi banakong do singi banriu. Te hadin ka singi banriu. Hato finlait ka to normal MHIS yune kan hanur kom na.
Ta ka su ai fi kum kanuksa. Kemud we ngila ong hi bangin ngila wanra ya kata ka formula ka ba nyerap ya ki nong pang khatam ya kini ki baduk ngila ong ngi wara ya ka formula kemud hadin ka hendrius nidu ka formula kadon hila ka jong pena kumno bangin nyerap iki.
Because patient is there, he or she wants to register and get the benefits. So all private hospitals, they have been notified that for
Person who got admitted in February, he went for
clarify with you, we have a set database of beneficiaries. Database has been created using the electoral roll of 2016 and then added on. Plus, we have the database of the socio-economic census. There are several families and people who are not in the database. So for those people, we usually collect the EPIC card and then it is sent to the central government to get their names added into the system.
So can you tell us, that means there is a huge backlog. The Deputy CM said that 58.5. And why is the reason? And this is the reason, because backlog is there.
Be it central or state government. So they are entitled to what we say, the eligibility criteria. It is open. They can easily get themselves registered.
No, but the question is, as she had frankly admitted, economic census 2011, the next was 2016. So there is a huge backlog. So how do you, I mean,